See the light of a new day dawning. Feel the love from a beating heart. And catch a ride to the top of the world. This is where we start. No, we can't make it last forever. We gotta use all the time we have. And you know that we'll never say never.
Bye-bye.
If we ever get the chance. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive.
あーうまい。星だ、時代は。
Life is calling and the world is beautiful. Na 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 na. Na 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 There's a winding road we're choosing. Looking for a brand new day. And up ahead there's an open door. Now we'll find our way. There's a hope for a new tomorrow. We can dream that we'll rise above. Let me be your guide to follow. And you'll always feel the love. And it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. This feeling's running high. Life is calling.
よいしょ。誰ちゃんって。これじゃない。あ、マスカスじゃね。スクーターやん。なんか固まっとる。おじゃーっつってから。オッケー。終わるのは？あ。いやそこ巻き割れてるやつなの、ちっちゃい棒。あ、やんない。怖いね。南東大や。来たよ。なんか3人。違うだったら。意外だ。じゃね？だね。まだ。足りん。木材の関係。いや、大丈夫。これ。お、いい感じでできよる。おら、やっぱ意外と火打ちなんね。あ、してとったか？してとったらね。こんだけ素晴らしいやつに全然なんかあるよ。動画とかね、一発でシャッチしたら火つくやん。つけるのが入っちゃった。来た。来たと思ったら消える。OK。 ああゼロから
リベル死ぬほどあれは死ぬほど
おお来た来たこれ来たでかい無情報ですね。
Roll back the covers and rub my eyes, and what is it I see? In the mirror I could see my own reflection, and he's staring back at me. He said, in your day there are 1,000 ways, a million possibilities. So sleepyhead, hear what I said, get out of bed, no don't you have some place to be? And then he said, hey there, what you lagging for? Turn the frown upside down and get on out the door. Hey you, what you gonna do? The circumstances, they don't change before the altitude. You don't need a sunny sky. Wait for too long and your life is gonna pass you by. Just put some music in your step, and it can go a little something like this. My surprise, could not believe my eyes. Now what did I just see? Step out the bedroom, down the hallway to the kitchen, and I pour myself coffee. There I am again in the coffee cup, saying to that.
いいよ。ちょっと遠慮が。まあね、今日でキャンプね、3回目になりますけど、僕自身キャンプの喜びはひとしおになってて、この人の道具なんですけど、冷泉パンをね焼いてちょっと食べてみたいなと思うんです。僕がねキャンプと出会ってねまだ2ヶ月経たずなんですけど、皆様に素晴らしいね映像を提供できればと思うんでよろしくお願いします。
じゃんけんタイム
いきますよ。最初はじゃんけん。映ってないじゃあ何
お前にね一つ言いたいことがあるんだ。僕はカメラを止めるな。
俺も言いたいことがある。カメラを止めろ。一つカメラ
Have traveled long and come so far upon this road, and we've seen mountain high, valley low.